Hello everyone and welcome back to Real English Practice. I am Emma, and today we are going to practice English before sleeping. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want to end the day with calm, simple, useful English. Night is a beautiful time to review your day, relax your mind, repeat gentle sentences, and prepare for tomorrow. Maybe you feel tired now. Maybe your day was busy. Maybe you want peaceful practice, not hard study. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Let us begin slowly, softly, and clearly. English practice before sleeping should be different from English practice in the morning. In the morning, you may need energy. At night, you need calm. You do not need difficult grammar. You do not need loud speaking. You do not need to force your brain. You need easy listening, gentle repetition, and short sentences connected to your real life. The goal is to make English feel peaceful before sleep. When English feels peaceful, you are more likely to practice again tomorrow. A calm habit can become a strong habit. Before sleeping, your mind often thinks about the day. You remember what happened. You remember what went well. You remember what was difficult. This is a perfect chance to use English. You can say, "Today was a busy day. I worked hard. I studied English. I talked to my friend. I felt tired, but I continued. Now I am ready to rest." These sentences are simple, but they help you review your life in English. Your daily life becomes your lesson. Let us start with a simple night sentence. I am getting ready for bed. Getting ready for bed means preparing to sleep. You can also say, I am preparing for sleep. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am putting my phone away. I am turning off the light. I am lying down. I am relaxing my body. These sentences are useful because they describe real actions. When you say English during real actions, you remember it better. Now let us practice a night routine in order. First, I finish my work. Then I eat dinner. After that, I clean the kitchen. Next, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I prepare my bed. Finally, I lie down and rest. These order words are helpful. First, then, after that, next, finally. They make your English sound organized. At night, you can review your whole routine with these words. Do not rush. Speak slowly, like you are telling a soft story. A useful phrase is, before I sleep. Say, before I sleep, I review my day. Before I sleep, I listen to English. Before I sleep, I repeat 5 sentences. Before I sleep, I think about tomorrow. Before I sleep, I relax my mind. This phrase is easy and practical. You can make many sentences with it. Another phrase is, at night. At night, I feel calm. At night, I study quietly. At night, I prepare for the next day. At night, I rest. Now, let us talk about reviewing your day. Review means look at something again. At night, ask yourself 3 questions. What did I do today? What did I learn today? How did I feel today? These questions help you practice past tense and feelings. You can answer simply, today, I worked. Today, I studied English. Today, I learned 1 new phrase. Today, I felt tired, but proud. You do not need a long answer. Short, honest answers are enough. Night practice should feel light and gentle. Let us practice past tense with daily verbs. I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I studied English. I talked to my friend. I cooked dinner. I watched a lesson. I cleaned my room. I learned a new word. I practiced speaking. These verbs help you describe your day. Some verbs are regular, like studied, talked, cooked, watched, cleaned, practiced. Some are irregular, like woke, ate, went, learned can be regular or irregular depending on style. Repeat them slowly. I woke up. I ate. I went. I studied. Now let us make simple night review sentences. I woke up early today. I ate breakfast with my family. I went to work by bus. I talked to my coworker. I studied English for 10 minutes. I learned the phrase, take your time. I cooked dinner. I cleaned my room. I felt tired at night. Now I am ready to sleep. This is a complete day review. You can record it if you want. Then tomorrow, change the details. Now let us talk about feelings before sleep. At night, you may feel tired, calm, sleepy, peaceful, worried, proud, grateful, or relaxed. Say, I feel tired but calm. I feel sleepy now. I feel peaceful because the day is over. I feel proud because I practiced English. I feel worried about tomorrow, but I will take one step at a time. I feel grateful for today. Grateful means thankful. Feelings are important because they connect English to your real heart. A good night sentence is, I am proud of myself because I practiced today. Say it slowly. I am proud of myself because I practiced today. Another sentence is, I did my best today. Did my best means tried as well as possible. You can say, today was not perfect, but I did my best. This is a kind sentence. At night, be kind to yourself. Do not end the day with only criticism. Criticism means negative judgment. End the day with learning and peace. Now, let us practice gentle self-talk. Self-talk means the words you say to yourself in your mind. Before sleeping, say, I am learning little by little. I do not need to be perfect. I practiced today, and that matters. Tomorrow, I can try again. My English is growing. My confidence is growing. I can rest now. These sentences are simple but powerful. They help your mind feel safe. When your mind feels safe, learning becomes easier. Now, let us talk about listening before sleep. Many learners like to listen to English at night. This can be helpful if the audio is calm and easy. Choose slow English, clear pronunciation, and simple topics. Do not choose very difficult audio before bed. Difficult audio may make your brain work too hard. You want gentle practice. Listen to a short lesson, a simple story, or peaceful daily sentences. The goal is not to understand every word. The goal is to meet English calmly before sleep. A good listening routine is this. First, listen for the main idea. Second, choose one sentence you understand. Third, repeat that sentence softly. Fourth, close your eyes and think about the meaning. For example, you hear, I am proud of my progress. Repeat softly, I am proud of my progress. Then think, yes, I am making progress. This connects listening with emotion. Emotional connection helps memory. At night, one meaningful sentence can be better than 20 hard sentences. Now, let us practice soft repetition. Repeat after me in a calm voice. I am ready to rest. I practiced English today. I am learning little by little. My English is improving. I can try again tomorrow. I feel calm now. I can sleep peacefully. These sentences are for your mind and your mouth. Say them slowly. Do not push your voice. If you are near other people, whisper them. Whisper means speak very softly. Whisper practice can still train your brain. Now let us talk about writing before sleep. You can write 3 simple English sentences in a notebook. Sentence 1, today I. Sentence 2, I felt. Sentence 3, tomorrow I will. For example, today I studied English. I felt proud. Tomorrow I will practice again. This is a small routine, but it is powerful. It reviews the past, expresses feelings, and prepares the future. Past, feeling, future. 3 sentences can create a complete night practice. Let us practice more examples. Today, I worked hard. I felt tired. Tomorrow, I will rest more. Today, I learned 5 words. I felt happy. Tomorrow, I will review them. Today, I made a mistake. I felt embarrassed, but I learned. Tomorrow, I will try again. Embarrassed means uncomfortable because of a mistake or situation. These sentences teach you to be honest and hopeful. Night writing can help you understand your day and improve your English at the same time. Now, let us talk about tomorrow plans. Before sleep, you can prepare simple English goals. Say, tomorrow I will wake up early. Tomorrow I will drink water. Tomorrow I will listen to English for 10 minutes. Tomorrow I will repeat 5 sentences. Tomorrow I will speak slowly. Tomorrow I will be patient with myself. Future sentences give direction. Direction means where you are going. A small plan before sleep can make tomorrow easier. Use the pattern I will practice, I will review, I will listen, I will repeat, I will speak, I will continue. This pattern is simple and strong. You can also use I am going to. I am going to study tomorrow. I am going to record my voice. I am going to read one paragraph. I am going to learn one useful phrase. Both patterns are useful. At night, choose one clear plan. Do not choose 10. One small plan is enough. Now let us talk about mistakes. At night, many learners remember mistakes from the day. Maybe you said a sentence wrong. Maybe you forgot a word. Maybe you did not understand someone. Do not punish yourself. Punish means treat yourself harshly. Instead, review calmly. Say, I made a mistake today, but I learned. I forgot a word, but I can review it. I did not understand, so next time I can ask, could you repeat that, please? This turns mistakes into lessons. A kind night review has 3 parts: what happened, what I learned, what I will do next. For example, I forgot the word receipt. I learned that receipt means the paper after payment. Next time, I will say, could I get a receipt, please? This is helpful. You are not only feeling bad, you are creating a plan. A mistake with a plan becomes progress. Progress means movement forward. At night, let your mistakes become teachers, not enemies. Now let us talk about calming your body in English. You can say, I relax my shoulders. I relax my face. I breathe slowly, I close my eyes. I let the day go. Let the day go means stop holding the stress of the day. I feel my body resting. I am safe. I am calm. These sentences can help you connect English with relaxation. Be gentle. Speak slowly. Use pauses. I breathe in. I breathe out. Let us practice a short, calming exercise. Say, I am lying down. My body is tired. My mind is slowing down. I breathe in slowly. I breathe out slowly. Whew. I let go of stress. I am ready to rest. This is not only English. It is also relaxation practice. Some learners like this because it makes English feel peaceful, not stressful. When you enjoy the feeling of English, you are more likely to continue learning. Now imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel studies English during the day, but he often feels too tired at night. He wants to improve, but after work, his brain feels full. One evening, he tries to study grammar for 1 hour before bed. After 10 minutes, he feels sleepy and frustrated. He closes the book and thinks, maybe night is not good for English. But the next day, he learns a new idea. Night English should be soft, short, and simple. That night, Daniel changes his routine. He does not open a difficult grammar book. He writes 3 sentences. Today I worked hard. I felt tired but proud. Tomorrow I will practice again. Then, he listens to a slow English story for 5 minutes. He chooses one sentence. I am learning little by little. He repeats it softly 3 times. I am learning little by little. I am learning little by little. I am learning little by little. Then he goes to sleep feeling calm. After 1 week, Daniel notices a change. He no longer sees night practice as heavy work. He sees it as a peaceful habit. Every night, he writes 3 sentences. Sometimes they are very simple. Today I cooked dinner. I felt calm. Tomorrow I will review. Sometimes they are more personal. Today I felt nervous when I spoke English, but I did not quit. Tomorrow I will speak 1 more sentence. His notebook becomes a quiet record of his English journey. After 1 month, Daniel has 30 small night reviews. He reads them and feels proud. He can see his progress. He has more feeling words, more past tense verbs, and more future sentences. He also sleeps better because he ends the day with calm thoughts. Daniel learns that English practice does not always need to be loud, long, or difficult. Sometimes the best practice is soft, steady, and close to your real life. This gives him motivation to continue. You can practice like Daniel. Tonight, do not make a huge plan. Choose a small night routine. Write 3 sentences. Listen to 3 minutes of slow English. Repeat 1 sentence softly. Say 1 kind sentence to yourself. Then rest. If you do this every night, your English will grow quietly, quiet progress is still progress. You may not notice it immediately, but after weeks, you will feel more comfortable with daily sentences and gentle English thinking. Let us build your before sleeping sentence bank. I am getting ready for bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am putting my phone away. I am lying down. I feel tired. I feel calm. I feel proud of myself. Today I learned something new. Today I practiced English. Tomorrow I will try again. I am learning little by little. I can rest now. My English is growing. Keep these sentences ready. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions softly. What did you do today? How did you feel today? What did you learn today? What was difficult today? What are you proud of? What will you do tomorrow? What sentence can help you relax before sleep? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply. Today I studied English. I felt tired but proud. I learned one new phrase. Tomorrow I will practice again. One more helpful practice is the night gratitude practice. Gratitude means thankfulness. Before sleep, say 3 simple sentences. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for another day to learn. You can change the sentences. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my work. I am grateful for this English practice. Gratitude sentences are peaceful and easy. They help you end the day with a positive feeling. Positive feelings can make your learning habit stronger. You can also make a sleep-friendly English rule. No hard study right before bed, no stressful tests, no long grammar pressure. Instead, choose calm review, soft listening, slow repetition, and simple journaling. Journaling means writing about your life and thoughts. Your night journal can be very short. Today, I felt. Tomorrow, I will. 3 lines, that is enough. A routine that feels easy is a routine you can repeat. If you wake up during the night and your mind is busy, use simple English to calm yourself. Say, I am safe, I can rest. Tomorrow is a new day. I do not need to solve everything now. I can breathe slowly. These sentences are gentle. They are also useful English. But if speaking keeps you awake, stop and rest. Sleep is important. Your brain needs sleep to learn and remember. Good sleep helps English too. Remember, English practice before sleeping should support your life. It should not steal your rest. The goal is a small habit that helps you review, relax, and prepare. Some nights you can practice for 10 minutes. Some nights only 1 sentence is enough. Say, I practiced today, and that matters. This sentence can protect your habit. You are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to be consistent. Consistent means you continue again and again. Another simple exercise is called the 3 soft questions. Ask yourself, what was one good thing today? What was one hard thing today? What is one small hope for tomorrow? Your answers can be very short. One good thing was my English practice. One hard thing was feeling tired. One small hope for tomorrow is to speak 1 sentence. This exercise helps you review life without pressure. It also gives you balanced English. Balanced means you notice good things and hard things together. Do not only think about problems, also notice your effort. If today was difficult, you can still say, I survived today, and tomorrow I can begin again. If today was good, you can say, I am thankful for this good day. These sentences are gentle, practical, and perfect for night practice. Use them when your mind feels full. Calm sentences can bring your mind back to peace. Before we finish, remember this. English practice before sleeping can be simple and calm. Review your day. Use past tense. Talk about your feelings. Write 3 sentences. Repeat 1 peaceful phrase. Make 1 small plan for tomorrow. Use gratitude. Let mistakes become lessons. Rest your body and mind. Thank you for listening to Real English Practice. I am Emma, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep ending your day with gentle English. Your English voice is growing, 1 quiet sentence, 1 calm review, and 1 peaceful night at a time.